how to deactivate or delete Facebook account on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Facebook app. And then the first thing we need to do is open the menu by selecting the little menu button to the top left of the Facebook logo. In the menu that opens up, scroll down and you just want to select Settings and Privacy. And then when you select Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Once in the settings, select See More in Account Center. So if in this section right here, under Password and Security, you see Personal Details, select that. But if not, select Manage Accounts, then select your Facebook account, then select Manage. What we're looking for is deactivation or deletion. So select that. And then in here, you just need to select if you want to deactivate your account temporarily or permanently delete your account. So select one of them and then select Continue. It'll then tell you what you will be deactivating or deleting. So scroll down, select Continue. You're going to need to enter your Facebook password, so go ahead and do that. They'll then ask you why you are deactivating or deleting your account. So go ahead and give them an answer and then select Continue. And then they may offer you some remedies based on what you selected. All you need to do is go ahead and select Continue. Keep in mind, if you're deactivating your account, when you see this screen, scroll down and where it says reactivate your account, if you don't want your account to reactivate automatically, select the drop down and then scroll down and select Don't Activate Automatically. So then select Continue, and then you just need to continue through the steps by selecting either Deactivate My Account or Delete My Account, and after that, your account will be permanently deleted or temporarily deactivated. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.